Among deep learning products and services, we're going to focus on IBM Watson, one of the representative ones. IBM Watson is an open domain QA, question and answering problem solving AI system made by IBM. It was designed to receive and solve natural language questions. And it's designed to answer with fast response time and precise answering based on consumable justification with accurate confidence. Looking at some of the accomplishments of IBM Watson system in the past, in 2006, IBM Research Project R&D, Research and Development, initiates. Then in 2011, Jeopardy Grand Challenge was accomplished. Then in 2011, Watson for Healthcare is initiated. In 2012, Watson for Financial Services and Industrial Solutions were created. First, let's look into Watson Wins Jeopardy. This is a big thing because Jeopardy is a television quiz show in the United States that debuted in 1964, a tremendously long time ago. And it has tradition, it is very well known for these quiz problems based upon how much prize money under each of these blocks there is a quiz based upon these categories. Now, in 2011, January 14th, IBM Watson beats two Jeopardy top champions in a two-game competition, and this was really remarkable. Representative example of an open domain QA AI system beating the best human contestants in Jeopardy. Over 8,000 independent experiments were iteratively processed on more than 200 8-core servers were conducted by 25 full-time researchers and engineers for the Jeopardy match. Deep QA is a combination of numerous analysis algorithms, which are based on type classification, time, geography, popularity, passage support, source reliability, semantic relatedness. The deep QA operations used in IBM Watson will now be explained. First, natural language question input comes into the system. Then, content acquisition will be conducted through answer and evidence source content collection. Following this process, statistical analysis and question domain analysis will be conducted. The analysis results are used for question classification. Here, there are two major components, which include LAT extraction and focus detection. LAT is lexical answer type, which is a clue word in a sentence that can be used to find the type of the answer. Focus is a selected word of a question that can turn the question into a standalone statement when replaced by a key answer word. Using these two classification techniques, the question decomposition using rule-based deep parsing and statistical classification is then conducted. Following this process, relation detection with databases is processed. So at this stage, the databases are used to find various relations. Following this process, parallel decomposable question solving is conducted. Then, primary search collects answer-related content. Using these collected content, hundreds of candidate answers are generated through hypothesis generation. Now, among these generated candidate answers, candidate answer selection is conducted using soft filtering technology. Then, evidence scoring is conducted. Evidence scoring is the process of evaluating the evidence of the candidate answers. And evidence scoring includes deep scoring analytics and temporal reasoning. The reason we need temporal reasoning is because based on the time, the moment that the answer is created, the right answer may actually be different. So therefore, answers need to be time-based, and that's why temporal, time-based reasoning is needed. Following this process, Then, ranking and confidence estimation is conducted based upon the evidence scoring process results. And then the answer merging is conducted to create the single best answer. And this is the process used in Deep QA of IBM Watson. Adapt Watson is an underlying artificial intelligence algorithm used in Watson. And it was developed from integrating over 100 core algorithmic components dealing with question understanding, candidate, answer searching, evidence collection, answer and evidence scoring, as well as confidence production and result merging and ranking. IBM Watson's new applications include healthcare, legal research, chatbot, teaching assistant, weather forecasting, and financial services. Watson for oncology is a physician assisting system for cancer diagnosis and treatment based on individual patient characteristics. Patient symptoms, medical records, and genomic data are analyzed. It creates plans for cancer diagnosis and treatment to reduce diagnosis and administrative errors while informing new treatment methods that the doctor may not be aware of. The concordance rate of Watson is based on diagnosis trials conducted at the Manipal Comprehensive Cancer Center in Bangalore, India. And as you can see, based on these patients and many cases that were tested, you can see a very high accuracy rate over there. These are the references that I used, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.